Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create share buttons element in Elementor. This is a fantastic feature that allows visitors to easily share your content across various social media platforms, helping you expand your reach and engagement organically. Let's walk through this step by step. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website dashboard and log in. Make sure you have your credentials ready, as you'll need admin access to make these changes. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar WordPress dashboard with all its options laid out in the left menu. Now look to the left menu and click on Pages, then select All Pages. This will bring up a list of all the pages currently published or drafted on your website. Take a moment to locate the specific page where you want to add the share buttons. This could be a blog post, a landing page, or any other page where you think social sharing would benefit your content. Once you've found the page you want to edit, click on Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor Page Builder interface, giving you full control over the page's design and layout. Elementor's drag and drop editor makes it incredibly easy to customize your pages without needing to know any code. Inside the Elementor editor, click the plus icon to add a new container. This icon is typically located at the top of the page or within sections where you can add new elements. Clicking it will create a space where you can insert widgets and other design elements. Next, search for share buttons in the widget search bar. This search bar is usually positioned on the left side of the Elementor interface, and typing in your desired widget makes it easy to find exactly what you need among the many available options. Here's where you might hit a small roadblock. In order to create a share button element, you'll need to upgrade to Elementor Pro. The Share Buttons widget is one of the premium features that comes with the Pro version, which unlocks a wide range of advanced widgets and customization options. While the free version of Elementor is powerful, upgrading to Pro gives you access to tools like share buttons that can significantly enhance your site's functionality and user experience. By upgrading to Elementor Pro, you'll not only gain access to share buttons, but also to many other professional widgets that can take your website to the next level. And there you have it. You now know how to create share buttons in Elementor and understand what's needed to access this feature. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.